Baby nasal aspirator with 23 extra filters. Infant by Maliki is one of the best sellers among baby nasal aspirators products. 1. Pediatrician endorsed. Doctor invented and recommend this nasal aspirator that uses parents' own suction to help clean babies' stuffy noses. 2. Health and clean. This nasal aspirator with cleaning filters, it can help clean the baby's nose easily. And the hygiene filters are clinically proven to prevent transfer of mucus. 3. Non-invasive. This one-piece design nasal aspirator creates a seal with the outside of the baby's nostril for seamless, comfortable snot sucking. 4. Safe and effective. It is easy to operate, but can help cleaning your baby's booger more fast. And it is safe, will not hurt your baby. 5. Safe, BPA and phthalate free. Convenient, easy to clean. Most parts are top rack dishwasher safe. Lifetime replacement guarantee. Maliki Baby Nasal Aspirator is invented and recommended by the doctor. It is can help parents to help cleaning their baby's boogers easily. Features. 1. Plastic material with one-piece design created a seal with outside of the baby's nostril for seamless, comfortable snot sucking. 2. Naturally and comfortable, cleans baby nose naturally, without causing any extra discomfort, perfect for newborns up to toddlers. How to use it. First, disposable filters should be inserted to prevent mucus transfer. Second, place tip of the large tube in front of the baby's nostril, not inside, creating a seal. The last, use red mouthpiece to suck out snot. How to clean. 1. Throw away the used filter. 2. Wash the large tube with soap and water, top rack dishwasher safe. 3. Clean the hose with a few soaps of rubbing alcohol. 4. Build up the dry pieces together. Inserting a new filter for next use. Warm tips. 1. Spraying saline solution in each nostril will help loosen thick mucus before using Maliki nasal aspirator. 2. Move the large tube in a circular motion against nostril, you will hear and see mucus. 3. Change filter after each use to maintain suction. Safety notes. A. Tip of the large tube doesn't go inside the nose, so baby will not get injured if he/she moves. B. Only use Maliki snot sucker for nasal aspiration, don't use in ears or throat. C. Do not blow air into red mouthpiece while the large tube is placed at child's nostril. D. It is not a toy, keep all parts away from children. Never attach it to a machine. Customer service. 1-year warranty. If you have any question, please feel free to contact them.